Hi guys, and welcome back. It's so good here, and we're going to give you a secret of how to get to this place. Full 2-day travel guide around Nara. They like to bow. Fried tofu. Hi guys, good morning and welcome to our channel. I'm Sophia. If you're new here, don't forget like, share and subscribe. And today we are traveling to Nara, the famous Nara. It's kind of late, it's 12:30, so it took us a minute to get out of our apartment. Luckily 2 minutes from the train station. So we're going to buy tickets now and I'll see you inside the train. Chichuko. So we're going in Naka Railway. Lots of stairs to go up. Hopefully they have elevators for people who cannot use all these stairs. People rushing. Paid 1,700 for 2 adults and 2 kids. So you can travel here cheaper if you just go to the local train. It looks so relaxing and beautiful. So the hardest part about being right now in Japan is just that it's so hot and it's really, really hard to think straight in this heat. Otherwise, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous, we love it. Look at this, lots of people, everybody enjoying it. I'm just giving you a little tour. It's actually the breeze right now, it's pretty nice. Why are you smiling? The holu kwaisu.
We're in Nara. Going to a house, probably just an ordinary house that my dad spent more money. I'm too excited.
We're here and we stay like right here.
Like always, you can find 7-Eleven, so if you're hot, you can go refresh yourself to get something to drink. So she can choose a shake between lots of different varieties. Strawberry,
berries and yogurt. Acai.
Try this
greens.
one.
Scan the barcode here. Take off the lid. Put it in. Close it. And then just done.
Press OK. Start. It's let us know that it's done, that we can open it. Open. I'm taking my smoothie out. It's pretty good. Pineapple, feel apple, pretty sweet. Just 83 calories and it's pretty yummy. Look at this. So cool.
I highly recommend you try one of these next time you come to Japan.
So what are they? Let us know, Adam. What do you drink?
Lemon flavored deliciousness.
It's very, very peaceful and very, very quiet. And maybe for some people, it's exactly what they need. And this is why they're coming to Japan and they're loving it. For us, we like the Chinese chaos, the Thai loudness, the Vietnam beeping.
Staying parties till 1 in the morning.
Exactly. People drinking beer and listening to loud music. We actually really enjoy this mess, balagan lifestyle. And it's a little bit harder for us when it's so, like, I don't want to hear just the birds.
Can we see one of our friends' phone numbers? If you're doing this.
Fried tofu with rice. It's a little bit sweet. I really like it.
Why not check it over for
So Adam decided to surprise us and he brought us to a kids museum. Did you guys create all this?
Our museum is reproduced item.
1, 2, 1.
Have you? No.
You know what you did to me in college.
300 years old coin.
So he put a string, wrap it around.
で、下から通って、
Wow!
okay?
Pull with your right, I think. Yep.
この辺、これ。あ、そうそう、引っ張って。離す。
I'm gonna win. No way. I'm gonna win.
All this, and then you. So on the way to our Airbnb, the Dinka decided to surprise us with a really cool traditional Japanese museum with really cool and old specific special toys for kids that most of them made from wood. It was just super amazing, super interactive, super fun. I recommend this place for adults and of course for kids. And now we're still making our way to our Airbnb. Look at this.
Yeah, that's the person like this.
Wow.
This is Mila.
No.
This is Daddy.
Leo. No, this is mommy. This is Leo.
Okay, I think I game over. This street is absolutely gorgeous. Like this rusty and brown, so beautiful. I think we like way more little towns than big cities, because big cities is all about shopping. Look, it's a Saks store. Who doesn't need a Saks store? And so cool, little Saks store. Let's see inside this house. Every house on this street is a traditional Japanese little house. This is our little Airbnb. So let's see, guys. Sure. Okay, so we have a shower here. Wow, it's 2 floors. Wow, look at this bedroom. Sitting area with 2 chairs. So sweet. Bookshelf. This is the living room. Kitchen area. So probably you sleep. Wow, so gorgeous place. So far, we actually didn't see much. We just walked around town. This neighborhood is so beautiful and peaceful in Nara. So far, we like it so much. So you know what? Even not about the deer or any other parks. If you're just looking for escape, the noisy Osaka and all the shopping streets, arcade, and you just need to come and experience a little traditional Japan in a very affordable amount and stay in traditional Japanese houses for 45 to 50 minutes away, 500 yen a train ride, and you're in absolutely gorgeous and peaceful Japan. So we're going somewhere. I'm not sure where we're going.
It's a secret tip.
Bye, sweetie pie. It's pretty dark. It looks so beautiful. Grand self-gate. Wow. So I put some light here, hopefully just that you guys can see a little bit more. Found some hands here. Hopefully you got it. So this is so cool. It's insane. It's like 9 p.m. and I'm sweating so bad. And just wait to see. See all these stairs? Them up. This beauty. This is definitely different Nara from what I saw so far on YouTube. It's so good with this temple water. Look at this. Good morning. Second day in Nara. We just had a really lovely, family-friendly breakfast. Just one. Thank you. Thank you. So it's a bean one. It's very good.
After I was done eating it, I could. It's okay.
Buddy. Hi, buddy.
Sorry, buddy.
It's just insane how close you can go to the deer here. But there is around 1,300 deer in this park. He bowed to me. So absolutely beautiful. This is Nara, guys. So we are entering right now the temple. It looks a little bit different than yesterday's night when now you have thousands of people. So it was kind of actually really refreshing to come yesterday at night. It's the same hot as at night. I can't say that it was cooler at night than compared to the day. At least you can see the temple. Let's go. And the reason it's hard for you is because it's hot. This is just so beautiful.
How are you? Are you from Nara?
Yes, my name is.
Thank you for the tour.
Very brief explanation. Entrance.
Oh.
Originally, the temple was founded in the middle of 8th century, so about 300 years old.
Okay.
This is the biggest wooden building in the world. Original building was much wider.
But this most recent was rebuilt in
1709.
The two big statues. How old are they?
Originally built in the 8th century.
Oh, wow.
But it was destroyed by typhoon. Built in 1199. 1,000 pieces of wood.
Oh, wow.
Two golden ornaments on the they are called shibi. Shibi is lucky charm against fire. Snake.
But it's a fishtail. So then everything under is under the sea, so it's protected from fire. Yes.
The black stones came from India. The red stone came from China. Stones came from Korea. And outside stones are Japanese stones. Indicates the route of introduction of Buddhism.
Yes.
China, Korea, Japan. Wow. Bronze lantern is original.
Is this also from the 8th century?
Yes, yes.
Wow.
The pane was stolen. 500 tons of bronze.
Bronze.
The very original statue was melted down by fire. But still, around the knee, lower part is original.
Okay.
And the body was recast in the 12th century, and the head was recast in the 16th century. The melted bronze was hollow.
Wow.
So this process was made separately 7 times.
So inside is wood.
Is hollow.
It's hollow. Okay, yeah.
So this is after the completion. It took 2 years. Side mound was removed, and the inner structure was removed.
They dig. This is like dirt.
Yes.
Oh wow.
And after the completion of the statue, the building was built.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So the Buddha is always there.
You can't get him out.
No.
So the Buddha, it's 500 tons, and it was burned, but
A couple times.
it was burned a couple times. But the knee of the Buddha are original, and they
recasted the belly a couple centuries later, and then they did the next part.
Okay, so let's take a tour around. The model of the Great Buddha Hall, rebuilt 800 years ago. So Miss Mila is going to try to go through this hall. Okay, Miss Mila, can you make it? You can do it, you can do it. Woohoo! Yay! You made it!
It's hard.
It was hard. And just like that, we are back in Osaka. Hopefully you enjoyed the last 2 days visiting Nara with us. We absolutely love Nara. The deer park, the temples, and everything around this beautiful and charming little city. See you in my next video. Bye guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hi, I'm Leo. We went to Nara 1.5 days.
Did you like it?
The first day, yes. The second day, I wanted to go home from the start.
Did you like the deer?
No, I did not like the deer.
Why not?
Not one bit.
Why not?
Because they're deer and animals in general are filthy and they're filthy and they poop a lot.